What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Microsoft controller, more specifically the Elite Series 2.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. So, the Microsoft Xbox Elite Series 2. So you got the black and white kind of thing going here. You got black, white, and kind of gray and silverish. It says Core. Got Xbox brand and Elite Series 2. Got some specs here on the side. Good for the Xbox Series X and S. The Xbox One works on Windows, Android, and iOS. Kind of going on some stuff there. Tells you some stuff here. Optimized for you. Limitless customization. Extend your gameplay and build for performance. And then you got basically what it's showing you is going to get in the box. You're going to get a controller. You're going to get an interchangeable D-pad, interchangeable thumbsticks, a USB Type-C cable, and then a thumbstick adjustment tool. So let's get into the box. I already cut it, but we'll see what's in here. I'm not going to show you the bottom because it has some serial number information, but there you go. We'll put this top part of the box to the side. This is the controller. It feels really nice. Let's throw that to the side. Got Xbox brand in there. Nothing there in the back. You do get some stuff here and get some stuff here, and then there's the rest of your box. We'll throw that to the side. All right, let's look in here, see what they got going on here. So you got some books explaining to you what the controller is, how to use it, what certain things are, what the features are. You're getting some product and registration guide, and this is what they're calling that tool that they were talking about, the thumbstick tool. So we'll throw that to the side, and then we'll look in here. This obviously is the micro USB Type-C cord. I really like how they braid this. This is really nice. They did the same thing with another controller. This was that OG controller that I had the video posted on. I'll throw a link in the description so you can check it out. But same kind of thing, braided, nice purple, also USB Type-C. This one black with a couple specs on it of white and or gray. And you got USB Type-A to USB Type-C. So let's get rid of all of this stuff to the side and just concentrate on the controller for now, because that is what we are here for, right? Right. All right, so there's the controller. So I'll show you really quickly what it looks like in comparison to another controller. And then I'll show you all those extra pieces and parts that I want to show you, which don't come with the core variant, which is what we have here. You just get the controller. When you buy the full Elite, you get all the pieces, and I'll show you that right now. So here's what the Elite controller looks like compared to a regular Xbox controller. Obviously, this is the Xbox One /Series XS variant. This actually is the Xbox One Series X/S variant. But when you look at them, they look very similar. When you're looking at it, this does have a little bit more raised, I would say, in this white piece here. You can see it's not as raised there on the blue one, but everything looks identical. However, these things do come off. You can change these things out, whereas on the regular one, you cannot. Those are locked in. The cool thing about it, and I like how it has like a little magnet. I don't know if you could pick that up, but you see that? Little magnet. And then this one looks like it has a grill here. I don't know if that's a speaker or not, but I don't think it is, but maybe it is. We'll check that out when we do some more in-depth analysis. And this has like a clicky feature, and this one doesn't. That's another difference. The buttons feel the same, except this one is much heavier. You got to keep in mind this has a battery pack inside of it, whereas these actually use regular batteries there. So these are changeable. This one you're gonna have to charge through either your Xbox or a PC. But when you look at these controllers, they're very similar when you look at them. But this one doesn't have texture here. This has texture like a rubberized grip, which is really nice. Kind of gives you more control of it. And then the other big thing is this stuff here, and I'll show you really quickly what I want to show you as far as parts are concerned. So these were all the parts I was talking about. And you can see you have some thumbsticks, you got a D-pad, another D-pad, you got some concave and convex shaped thumbsticks, and then you have paddles. So the paddles go here really quickly, and you can snap them on however you want. You could do this one long, and then I'll show you on the other side. You can do it the other way, I believe, as well. Oh, nope, you're not, because it's gonna be stuck. Nope, that wouldn't work. So it has to be the long one on the bottom and the short one on the top. So this is really nice if you're really competitive and you want to keep your thumbs on the sticks. You can actually push those things with your ring finger down there and your middle finger. So you can have more buttons, more control. The other thing I wanted to show you is you can actually change out the D-pad. So if you want to change out to this, you could. You could change out the thumbsticks if you want. You could go to this. So it's a lot of different features here. And then the last thing is the actual, these things here. So you got one on the right and the left. So when you're shooting in games, you see how, when you put it up like that versus down, so see how much that presses down, but this doesn't press down. So this is good for competitive gamers. That little half a second that it takes you to press the button could be the difference between dying and winning the fight. So there's a lot of different things that this controller does. I really like this controller. This is an awesome controller if you're looking to get a little bit more premium feel, get a couple more buttons on the back. Obviously you can customize all of this inside of your Xbox settings. So that's the unboxing for this. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.